the Piedmont of North Carolina, Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Ardell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was showing increasingly intense tropical rain showers encroaching upon and developing atop the